If you thought it's about your New Year's resolution, I am here to tell you that it is about Christ Jesus. You have made all things about yourself, but this evening I am here to say it is about Jesus Christ and Him alone. The devil have kept you thinking that it is about you accomplishing 1, 2, 3. It has never been about that. Nothing can satisfy you. All these things God was doing was that we may become like Christ, that we may become one with Him. The sickness, the unemployment, the blessings that God gives you, it is all that we may come to the real prize. But the devil wants to keep us in a place. He wants to entangle us with the world. Even this time, there is a promised land, and that is Christ Jesus. So your New Year's resolution or your plans, it should be about Jesus. It should be about you getting deeper and knowing Him. Paul says, I count my life as nothing, but my mission is to accomplish the ministry that I have been given. So the minute you get yourself entangled with everything, you are not going to make it to the other side. You are not going to cross over, and God's protection is not going to be guaranteed on your life, because God protects what is His, what is within His will. So outside this way, you are in danger. The reason why God became the fourth man in fire, it was because these men were already in fire for Jesus Christ. You want God to be the fourth man in fire, but you are never in fire for Jesus Christ. For you to cross over, it's going to take Jesus Christ. It's going to require Jesus Christ. You're not going to make it with your own strength. You're not going to make it with your own strength. That's why He says, I am the way, the truth, and the life. No one comes to the Father. It is Jesus Christ that is going to scan you and say, Lord, Father, I know this one. It is Jesus Christ that is going to scan you and say, I do not know you. And Jesus Christ is not going to choose you at that time, but because you didn't choose Him here. How can He choose you, but you never chose Him?